Hello and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to be showing you a simple get ready with me, starting out with my brows, and then I'm using the Anastasia Dipbrow in Autumn. See, okay, so I'm going to be applying the Neutrogena Hydro Boost to my face, just to give my face a little bit of the eye cream by Origins for brightening and debuffing. Some ring finger. I'm going with the A+ No Pore Primer. Dose of Colors Hue in 115 medium light. So I tried a sample of the 120 and I really like that shade. Like, I believe it matches my skin way better than this shade does. Going this way, concealer. This is from Too Faced in Natural Beige, guys. Under my brow bone. Blend all this off. I'm using the e.l.f. concealer brush to blend out this concealer. Using the Dose of Colors Anastasia palette. So this is what it looks like. These are the shades. So I'm going to be using Sun Glow, the middle shade. Sun Glow. now we're going to be going in AOA Perfect setting powder. So I'm just going to dab this on my beauty blender and rinse it for a bit while I finish working on my eyes. So I'm just going to curl my eyelashes. Using the Colossal Volume Express in the shade Black. And I'm not going to be putting any mascara on my lower lashes just because it's hot outside. For foundation, I'm going to be going in with the Sephora 26 Natural Sand. So I'm taking this e.l.f. powder brush to apply this. Applying highlighter and contour to my cheekbones with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Nicole Glow Kit. And these are the shades. We just have like a cover. So it has Kitty Cat, Forever Young, Daydreamer, Forever Lit, Glow Getter, and 143 are the shades in this palette. I'm going to be going in with the Glow Getter. Using the 143 is the darkest shade, a little bit of contrast. And then for blush, I'll be using Kitty Cat. Okay, so to finish this look off, I'm going to be going in with the Dose of Colors Catching Feelings matte lipstick. This is the lipstick, Dose of Colors, Liquid Matte. Alright you guys, so that's going to be the finished look for today. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and comment below. We'll be getting in new products soon from Dose of Colors. Stay tuned and I hope you guys enjoy. Take care.